Hello, and welcome to TswanaPay, where we make rent collection smarter, easier, and more reliable than ever before. Whether you're a landlord looking for guaranteed payments or a tenant seeking convenience and rewards, TswanaPay is the solution you've been waiting for. As a landlord, you've likely faced the stress of chasing rent payments and managing utilities manually. With TswanaPay, those headaches are a thing of the past. Here's how it works. Tenants pay rent directly through our secure app, and funds are credited instantly to your digital wallet. No delays, no middlemen. And when our mobile wallet launches next year, it will streamline utility and rent payments into one seamless system. But we don't stop there. At TswanaPay, we go beyond simple rent collection. We offer true revenue assurance. If a tenant falls behind on rent, we'll restrict the value of their utility token purchases to just 20 pula at a time. Every time they try to top up, they'll receive a friendly reminder to settle their rent first. This innovative approach prioritizes your income, ensuring rent payments always come first. Now, you might wonder, what's in it for tenants? At TswanaPay, we believe in encouraging good behavior. That's why we offer cashback rewards for tenants who pay their rent on time. It's a win-win. Landlords get consistent revenue, and tenants enjoy financial rewards for being responsible. And what does all this cost? Just 5% commission on rent collection, the same as a traditional property manager. But here's the difference. We provide 24/7 automated rent and utility collection, no manual follow-ups or delays, and unmatched revenue assurance. Are you a new client? We've got something special for you. Sign a 2-year contract and we'll provide the meters for free. That's right, no upfront cost for the meters. You only pay for the installation. With TswanaPay, you're not just signing up for a service. You're future-proofing your rental business. Instant wallet credits for rent and utilities, complete visibility of payments, and a system designed to maximize your income and simplify management. For tenants, TswanaPay means convenience at your fingertips. Manage rent and utilities in one place, earn rewards, and stay on top of payments, all through our user-friendly app. Ready to transform the way you manage rent and utilities? Join the growing number of landlords and tenants choosing TswanaPay. Call Nicole on 75285897 or visit tswanapay.com today to get started. TswanaPay. Simplifying rent, empowering landlords, rewarding tenants.